Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Tinder account. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is click the profile logo in the bottom right corner. Now click the settings icon on the top right corner. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and look for delete account. Click delete my account. Then just click skip. Now click delete my account. And that's it. Your Tinder account has been permanently deleted. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.